Greetings everyone, this is Cindy Trains New South Wales Train Channel speaking to you. Just a quick tour of what I call city cards, basically like trading cards. And it's practically like information about every single train of the Sydney Trains New South Wales Training Network. So here I've got the complete set. Here. So there were 13 of these, so S set, K set, Z set, V set, Suburban Tangara XG set, so the two Tangaras, Endeavour, Millennium Hunter, Oscar Waratah, Explorer, and XBT, or the other way around, XBT Explorer. So, and they have like little questions about them. So, like this one with the S set here. This is a Campbelltown service by the indicator board just here. It says, when were the S sets constructed? And the answer here is 1972 to 1980. So I have color-coded these things, as you can tell. So Suburban are color-coded blue, and the city trains are color-coded green, and country regional trains are color-coded as purple. And the backs, I'll show you them. They're like that. And I'll show you this one as well. That, and the things don't have purple backing, but they still retain the green backing. So S set, and I put a little emoji on here because I love emoji. Yeah, so that's the S set. Now to the K set. Okay. Stupid thing. Here we have got K85 at Parramatta. The old indicator boards just there. When were the K sets refurbished? And the answer is the late 1990s, as you can see there. And that's heading to Penrith. Sorry if I'm covering the mic, but I think I might be. Not so sure. No, I'm not. So it's K set done. Another emoji gone. C set. Here we go. What year did the first C set enter service? That's probably quite obvious, and that is 1986. Sorry, this is my computer. Here we've got C13 at Bardwell Park, bound for Macarthur by the airport and East Hills. The New South Wales Training V set. What sets are the following carriages on? DET 9216, DCM 8032, DCT 9032, DT 1936, and DTM 8036. DET 9216 is quite obvious, it's V2, and the other obvious one is V21. And here we've got V1 at Central City Terminal. And Emojicon. And yeah. Now the Tangara. The Suburban one. Here we are. Here we've got T32 at Central Sydney Terminal. What proved to be unpopular on the Tangaras, and that is fixed seating. So yes, that one's kind of a good one. Emojicon. Okay, so that's my other set. The Sydney Trains Tangara XG set. Which G set was the first to be converted into a T set? And that is G4 into T104. And here we've got T100 departing platform number 2 at Circular Quay. As you can see there, Circular Quay. And now we're going on to the intercity ones. Endeavour. New South Wales Training Endeavour railcar. Sorry if it was a bit blurry. The very small emojicon. What is one of the services that the Endeavour operates on? One of the answers is South Coast, Kiama to Nowra. line, of course. Here we've got 2806 and 2856, or aka N6, somewhere. Most likely the Southern Highlands. Now we go on to the Millennium. Here we've got M1, just sitting between Waverton and North Sydney during testing. What sector does the Millennium operate on? Sector 2, T2 Airport Winner West South, T3 Bankstown, and T7 Olympic Park lines. Nice small emojicon, and that's the back. I'll show you. Sydney Train SID card. Collect and discover Sydney's beautiful trains, and they really are beautiful. Hunter railcar. Sorry. Okay. When did the first Hunter railcar enter service? The answer, 2006 to 2007. And there's the New South Wales Trainlink logo. And yeah, I'm really happy about that. And it's V1 at Central City Terminal, New South Wales Trainlink SID cards. Collect and discover New South Wales' beautiful trams. Here we've got the Oscar. Here we've got Oscar H3 at Central Sydney Terminal on platform 15. In the background there you can see an S set on platform number 16. What does the Oscar feature? If you can see it, external destination boards, internal destination boards, toilets, digital voice announcements or DVAs, and more. And there's the external destination indicator. This is actually not quick. It's actually very long. Here we've got the Waratah, the latest one in service. Here we've got A34 at Central Platform 18. Where are the Waratah trains maintained? And the answer, Auburn Maintenance Centre. There you go. And I put a different emojicon this time, the guy with the glasses. And the Explorer, no, XPT. The same emojicon. What services do the XPT operate on? Sydney, Dubbo, Grafton, Casino, as well as Brisbane and Melbourne. So, yes. Yeah. And finally, the Explorer. When did the first Explorer enter service? And that is 1993. So yeah, I put 2 city ones and 2 cool ones. And so, people, if I sort these out correctly, so you might have to wait a few minutes or maybe even a few seconds. Sorry. That is my full SID cards collection. Anyway, guys, this was sort of long, but interesting to us, somewhat interesting, I hope, for you guys. I'm going to wrap it up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, plus favourite the video. I'll see you all on the next tour. Bye for now.